Good morning, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a radiator change on 2007-2011 Toyota Camry. So it's check it out. That's the reason I have to change it. See the radiator, the coolant leak. It's been for a while. So the good thing is we find out earlier. So no why you will see a overheat if you don't find out early. So this is brand new radiators. So we just got it from Rock Auto or Amazon. So they come with all the racket stuff like that. Racket and radiators. They're brand new. So anyway, so let me start it. Alright, everything already installed. Double check all the hoses and the wire connection. So yeah, we just did a radiator, so make sure you fill all the way coolant here and inside radiators, so it should be fine. So run a couple hours and then double check again for the coolant. So if low, add it up more. So that's all you need. So if you guys like it, give me thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.